If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here, and just want to give everybody a shout out on the eve of New Year's for 2023 coming in. It's been one heck of a year, hasn't it? And let's hope that next year will be even a better year than this year. But I want to take this time to just say thank you to some very, very special people that has helped me through the years. And, I couldn't do it without their help. Galen Leather. And if you ever buy anything from Galen Leather, you'll receive this in your box. That comes with a whole lot of cool goodies. Fountain Pen Revolution, special thank you to Kevin. Thank you for being there for me. And you can find Kevin in Dallas. Then there's Lena from Pen Boutique. Special thank you to you, Miss Lena, for taking the time to help me when I need it. Thank you for all you do, not just for me, for the whole pen community. You're active in a lot of things to help people, and I think, is it 10 or 15% of whatever you make at the store, you send it to, I think, India for people in need of help, and also you help at the clothes drive. I think it's the food bank where you help serve meals. And your son and daughter, they follow in your same shoes. They also do the same thing. And, for me, I thought that was really a special thing for them to do. Good kids, both of them. Good looking kids. So I know you and your husband are proud. You should be. Plus the newest member of your family, you've had him, a couple of years now? Bo Master. I love that doggy. Such a wonderful, beautiful dog. Very smart, intelligent guy. I think he loves to play ball and frisbee and stuff. So he's always there, your protector, your guardian. So thank you again, Lena. I appreciate all you do. Frank Xavier from Federalist Pens and Paper. Frank has grown through the years, and he's added a lot more to his stock. I think over 500 items that he carries. So when he goes to the pen shows now, he puts about 5 tables out. So when you call Frank and you want to order something, he's going to be the guy answering. He's going to be the guy packing your goodies. And he's going to be the guy who sends you your goodies. So he's a one-man show, and he does one good job. And that's his heart. That's his passion. That's his love. It's to make a living, but this is what he loves doing. Like we love using fountain pens, inks, and paper. He loves the same thing, but he also loves to sell these beautiful pens that we all have in our homes now. And thank you to Jim Hines, Mr. Hines. it is I. I personally want to say thank you, sir, for all you've done for me for the years we've been together. I've seen you grow and grow and grow, because your dream was always to get there eventually, and I believe you made it. You stay busy. So thank you, Jim, and feel free to be on my Zoom anytime. You're always welcome, and you know that. Mike Green. Yes, Mike Green Custom Pen. A friend of mine that has done one incredible job making pens. He learns so quickly, and he learns the right way. Mike is very picky when it comes to making pens. He wants to make pens right the first time. He wants to make pens that the customer is going to be satisfied with, and his name's on it as well. Plus, if you use the secret code Larry, you can get 15% off right now, any day, any time, right? And here's what's good about his pens as well. At no cost to you, the customer. He uses from the pen rail, the one and only Kirk Spears. Did I say that right, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
Good old Mr. Kirk Spears. Fantastic guy. If you haven't met him, when he's at a pen show, go over there and meet him. Say hello. If he's not too busy, I'm sure he'll get to you when he is available, but incredible guy. Stand-up guy. Just really nice. So here's the deal. Not only do you get a 15% off the pen that you order, that's already at an affordable cost, but Mike has all his nibs go to Kirk. Kirk will tune them to make sure they're right, and so that way they'll go back to Mike, and he will ship them to you at no cost. Mike wants to make sure his customers are satisfied, enjoys their writing experience. So you'll get a cartridge, a converter, or is it two converters? I forgot. But you're totally taken care of. So if you want to use a pen right then and you don't have any ink, but hey, here's a cartridge, bam, you pop it in there, and you're off with the pen race. And you'll have a blast. So thank you to them. And a special thank you to all the folks that made it to my Zoom Pen Hangout this year. You had Lamy, you had, who else was there, Mr. Announcer? Because I forget.
Vanessa and Adam.
Adam, yeah, hello Adam, Vanessa. It was great having you guys on there. You had Peniter, also from Visconti at the time. Trying to think.
You've had Troy LaPlante.
We had Troy. We had Jim. We had Kevin from Kevin Fountain Pens. We had Frank.
And Abdiel Acosta.
Yep, and Frank. We've had so many. It's just hard for me to keep on. And again, I apologize because my train of thought, I tend to lose it. So that's just what it is. I'm not trying to hide it or nothing. But we've had so many people. We've had a lot of fun this year. It was a blast. So I'm already working on the new list for next year. Leonardo, we've had that gentleman on, member as well. Forgot the name because of my brain. But we've had really a great lineup of people. So with that said, again, thank you to each and every one of you. You guys really been a blessing. And thank you for all you do. And One thing about my reviews, I never forget you. I will bring you up continuously through the year. And folks, other than that, it's 71 degrees here in Fort Worth, Texas. It's about, wow, almost 7 o'clock. 20 till 7 p.m. Central Time. Am I right or wrong?
You're wrong.
I'm wrong? Oh, it's later, isn't it?
20 till 9.
20 till 9. Wow. I didn't even set my watch. And I want to thank each and every one of you again. Thank you so, so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And to all of my subscribers and viewers, and to all of the Pen folks out there, thank you for supporting my channel, for being a part of the family. And be aware that you'll never be forgotten. Because if it wasn't for you guys, who would need a reviewer, right? I said it before and I'll say it again. Without the viewers or subscribers, there's not much need for a reviewer because who's going to be watching, right? So you have to have both hand in hand. And they're both important, right? Right. So I'm done for tonight. I'm going to take a break here. We got some work to do behind the pin lines here, getting these videos ready to go out. And we got some work to do, don't we, Mr. Announcer?
Yep.
So with that said, God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends. Remember, you're loved, and I mean it. You're very, very important to me. You're not just another number. Peace and love. And we will see you soon.